How to pay off debt really fast with the tax-free cash growth warehouse strategy. Brought to you by SCFSIC.
In this video, we're going to talk about how to pay off debt faster with the tax-free cash growth warehouse strategy.
The obvious solution is to pay more to the debt balance, and that'll get it paid off faster. But what we want to do is pay off debt faster without having to pay more. We want to feel good about paying off debt and not all restricted and sacrificial, right?
So, what we really want to do is pay less and get the debt paid off faster. That's really a big clue as to what we need to do. Pay less. But pay less of what? If we're going to pay off the debt, we have to pay the whole debt, right? Of course.
What we want to pay less of is the cost of financing, that is, interest and fees.
When we have debt, that means that we're financing something, whether it's by means of credit cards or bank loans. The debt is being financed. Well, what is the interest that you're being charged? Is it simple, revolving, or amortized interest?
Amortized interest is like poison. Simple and revolving are much better, but it is still a matter of how much total overall.
And here's what the solution is. Whatever the interest rate you're being charged with your current financing, find a lower interest financing tool and transfer the debt to that. Then continue to pay the same amount you've been paying, and the debt will get paid off faster than with the higher interest loan you have now. Simple enough. Makes sense.
And if the current financing has amortized interest, get that debt transferred to a simple or revolving interest vehicle, and the debt will get paid off a lot faster.
Simple enough in theory, but how to find that lower simple or revolving interest loan to pay off the current loan? Well, we're going to skip over a bunch of scenarios and go directly to the best solution you've probably never heard of. All right with you? And when you use this strategy, you'll feel like a gladiator that just slayed a dragon. It's exhilarating, really.
Okay, if you already have a whole life insurance policy, you may already have some cash value built up in it. If you don't have a whole life insurance policy, you're going to want to get one going that is properly designed as a tax-free cash growth warehouse, because that is what you want to use to pay off your debts.
Tax-free cash growth. Sounds pretty good, doesn't it? With a properly designed whole life living TFCGW policy, you build cash value in it right away, and you can access it to finance things without having to go to the bank or resort to credit cards.
And the best thing is that the cash value in your policy grows with dividend interest far greater than what any banks are paying.
Already, that's a big win, isn't it? And not only that, but your money will continue to grow even while you leverage it to pay off debt. And that means finance fees and interest are eliminated while your money safely grows and you get your debt paid off much faster.
Whew! What a relief that is.
Okay, take a deep breath. This is how it works. Let's say you have credit card debt of $10,000 and your credit card is charging you revolving interest at 12.9%. Let's just make it 13% to make the math easier. That's the dragon we want to slay. When you have $11,000 of cash value in your TFCGW account, you can leverage it to pay off the credit card. Now, you no longer have the credit card, or you no longer owe the credit card, so you no longer have to pay the interest of 13% annually or any fees.
And your $11,000 is still earning interest.
That makes for a pretty powerful gladiator sword right there. Currently, the dividend interest rate with the company we use most is at 6.2%. So in 1 year, your $11,000 will grow by $682. Now let's say the regular payment to the credit card was $120 a month. That would pay down the credit card by $1,440 in a year. But there's the 13% interest being added. So actually by the end of a year, if you don't add anything more to the credit card, the balance will be $9,860. It goes down by only $140 because while you were paying the $120 monthly payments, they were adding $108.33 in interest. This dragon breathes fire in the way of mounting debt and just eating up your payments. Now, if you transfer that debt to yourself by leveraging your TFCGW whole life living account and paying off the credit card, you'll be charged 5% simple interest on the amount you leverage.
But remember, you're earning 6.2% compounding dividend interest at the same time.
Yeah. So you'll actually come out ahead by $182. That's earned interest of $682 at 6.2% on the $11,000 in your account, minus $500 interest charged at 5% on the $10,000 leverage loan. That's a positive $182.
And if you pay back the leverage loan of $120 a month, you reduce the loan amount by $1,440, while your actual cash value has grown to $11,680, and that's just the first year.
So now you've already put out the fire of the dragon, okay? Now, if you apply the dividend interest to pay down the leverage loan, the balance at the end of just 1 year will be $7,878. By continuing the $120 monthly payments, then applying the dividend interest to the loan, you'll have the entire loan paid off in just 4 years.
Where with a credit card charging 13% interest and you're paying only $120 a month, it would take something like 30 years to pay off that $10,000. That's cutting 26 years of payment out.
Yeah. Does that feel like relief to you? So, how do you spell financial success?
TFCGW, that's how.
Now, this is a focused and simple example, but you can see how valuable this strategy is, can't you? And you can feel how relieved and powerful you'll feel when you accomplish this by using the TFCGW strategy, yes? You see, a solid, proven, guaranteed finance strategy.
And that's what the TFCGW strategy is
A tool. It's a method or a practice that can assure relief from worrying about your financial future and give you the comfort and safety that comes with the confidence that the success of your financial future is a sure thing. For a more complete explanation of the tax-free cash growth warehouse strategy and why and how it is so empowering and such a great advantage for those who use it, watch our free 60-minute TFCGW webinar, How to Become Master of Your Financial World, by clicking on the link below in the description box.
And please subscribe to this channel and post your questions and comments here. We will reply to all.
Mahalo for watching, and aloha for now.